Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Ako po si Bryce Erickson Hernandez, dating Assistant District Engineer ng Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office. Ako po ay na-contempt kahapon sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, napag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project base po sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon. Tama po si Senator Lacson, ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. At ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Ang mga projects po na to ay construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate phase 3 sa Hagonoy, Bulacan. Flood control mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate sa Malolos, Bulacan. Hindi na po babasahin lahat to. Isasama ko po to sa aking written statement.
Mahalaga pong basahin yung buong listahan ng mga proyekto. These are the line items that everyone has been talking about, so I think the nation deserves to know which particular line items are in the GAA that are being implemented for this particular functionality.
May I also request that he be directed to read the entirety of his salaysay?
Yes.
And not to select portion of his salaysay.
Yes, he will. I think he will be required to read the entire, but we need specific